Good morning.
Good morning, now.
Good morning.
We're having breakfast. Lots of snow last night.
I don't know what
We walked in the snow
happened.
just now.
It's... Oh my gosh, I can't believe how much snow.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
We're gonna go out there just now. So
You are where?
right in the back. So I'm having a piece of my coconut bake that I made for breakfast. And well, I was eating already, so this is all the bulgur that is left. And having that. And it's a nice breakfast.
Yeah. Looks good. You guys are getting ready?
Yeah, we're going and build a little snowman.
Crunchy snow?
Yes, it looks like it's snow that you could make a good
Snowman?
with. Yeah.
Careful, guys. I don't know why you're out here. It's packing snow.
I'm almost as tall as this Christmas tree.
So it's a pretty small Christmas tree.
Yes.
Are you serious?
See, it's packed really good. Look at that.
Dad. Are you gonna throw him?
Come in.
Oh, you actually got him. Good. It's a good one.
It's good packing snow, man. Look at it.
Oh my gosh, Dad.
Snowman.
That was a big one.
You know what? I've been living in Canada so long, and every time I see the snow, I get so excited. It's so beautiful. We went to bed. There was no snow. We got up and check it out.
I know. I can't believe it. It's scary.
Beautiful.
Oh, Dad, how's your blue spruce? It's so little.
Morning.
Morning.
Hey.
It's cold, but not that cold.
No, it's not that cold. When it's snow, it's usually not that cold. Yeah,
Careful, Mom.
Let's build a snowman.
Hey, go and build one. They look right there. No, not right there. Hey, I Santa Claus, you know?
Oh, he's covered down.
You could build it on top of
Look at the
thing here.
cars and so on. Ooh, it is a bit chilly. I don't have a coat on. Okay, I'll check in on you guys in just a bit.
You come back and check out the snowman.
Yeah, I'll come back and check. Your snowman is not round.
I know.
He's lumpy.
It's my fault.
Okay,
So our snowman is all done. We don't know how long it's gonna last with the weather. If it turns nice, it's gonna melt all away, and it's a beautiful one. Eric, this is for you. The snowman. I built the snowman for you, Eric. Enjoy. Morning. I am going to show you. I made this bread last night for breakfast this morning. That's what we're going to have. And I'm going to show you what it looked like. It's just one loaf that I made. And it came out really, really nice. So this is what it looked like. So I'm just going to cut it here now and show you. This is the inside. It's nice. It's soft. It has a little crust on the end there. So we're going to have this for breakfast, and we're going to, I'm sure, enjoy it. Check you later.
good morning, friends. I am here this morning to try out the bread that Mom made from Mom Trini Cooking. She cut that piece out and buttered it, and I am going to give it the taste test. I have the best part of this job here. I taste test. I love it. I love tasting.
And you like the
everything.
ends too with the crust.
Oh, see the end? And I'm going to taste it. And it is, although it was made last night, I said, but it is
Looks really
simply
soft.
delicious. It is soft, very nice, and everything. It is very nice. It's what I was looking for in that bread. And I have a surprise for you from Mom Trini Cooking, all her subscribers. I have a nice surprise, my Christmas sweater. Merry Christmas again to all of Mom's subscribers. Merry Christmas. Have a safe holiday.
I like that sweater. It's real fancy with all those lights. Okay, enjoy your bread, Vish.
I
Thanks.
will.
See you guys later. Vish is going to be cutting some mangoes for me. I'm going to be making some mango anchar, of course, to share. And you see how much mango is there? He have fun doing that, right?
I use my mango cutter,
Of
which
course.
makes it so easy and simple. You see how nice they cut? And I'm taking out the seed now. So when you boil it, it'll be nice.
Good job. I'm just waiting to have my big pot over there to boil it and then to make the anchor. And Gary came to visit with us today. Morning, Gary. How are you?
Good afternoon. I'm very well, thank you.
Good.
It is afternoon. When you get up late.
Okay, so laters.
Okay.
It's Trini Cooking. This is Mom's brother. Just saying Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everybody.
There's my good buddy Adam. Here's Adam.
Merry Christmas to everybody, and I'd like to say I enjoy her shows on the net and sort of bring me back real memories of back home when I was much younger. And the food, we do try it at home and it really helps. Merry Christmas to everybody.
Thanks, Adam. Thanks, video. See you guys.
Bye.
Christmas.
Bye.
Hi, good morning, everyone. Hello, Happy New Year coming up pretty soon, 2021. We had a rough year in 2020, but you know what? Here I am with my friend from Mom's Trini's Cooking, my very best friend. She came to visit to give me some goodies for the holiday. I'm wishing everyone a safe, happy holidays and Merry Christmas. Keep on watching the channel. Some new recipes are coming up. I'm looking forward to them. And as I said, stay safe and be blessed.
Hi everyone, Mom's Trini Cooking here, wishing you all a Merry Christmas and a bright and prosperous New Year. Just want to say thank you all so much for all the support that I had with all the sweet messages that I got from you all, and more videos will be coming to your way soon.